Okay guys, so right here you can see it says no block this round. So this is PERIA mining, and a lot of people have been asking me questions why this usually pops up. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why now. So after my own mining ended, this section ended, and this is the message that I got, and the reason why this happens is very important, and this is completely normal. Now let me explain very well. So over here it says the reason why this happens is because the blocks are limited. This simply means that the blocks that are available on each round is very limited, and people compete for this. And of course, the same reward, you can see over here they said thousands of miners may be competing for the same reward at the same time. So if you are lucky enough to be among those that are going to be getting it, then you are going to be getting the reward. But if you are not lucky enough, don't worry, it's normal. Another section is coming, and another reason is because of the mining difficulty adjustment. So this is also the reason, because as the network grows and more miners join, finding a block becomes more challenging. This helps protect the value of the reward and keep the system balanced. Now the final reason is that every section is an independent chance. Now over here they explain saying that not finding a block today does not reduce your chance tomorrow. Just like I said before, each mining session starts with a fresh opportunity. So in case you get this type of message, what you need to do is very simple. Simply keep on mining, because if you miss this one, the next opportunity is there for you to grab. Now over here they said to increase your chance of getting block. Now when we talk about getting block, what do we mean by that? We simply mean getting reward for the mining section. All right, so the block is literally the reward for that for the section. Okay, now to be able to increase your chance to be able to get it next time, you should complete all available daily mining section. All right, now you also need to invite active friend to unlock additional mining section. Okay, now you should stay consistent and build your streak. Participate in community event to earn bonus PERIA reward. Now this is the good news that we have right here. They said your streak remains protected as long as you complete all daily mining section, even if no block is found. Now this streak right here is very important. When we are talking about streak, we are basically talking about how consistent you are on the app. All right, how consistent you are. Like if you come today, come tomorrow, come next tomorrow, it means you are keeping your streak. All right, so over here right now, let's go to mining right here. So currently this is my balance right now, 23 PERIA right here, and of course I've kept my streak. I've successfully gotten 1 day streak, and currently the active referral that I got right here are only 2 people, while I have a lot of referral, but only 2 people are very active. Now coming over here to start mining right, you can see I'm mining right now. When I click on tap to mine, I will select server 1. So over here right now, the mining section has started right now, and this section is only going to last for just 2 hours. All right, so right now guys, you can see you need to keep your streak right here, and most importantly scroll down right here to complete tasks. Now let me explain this task right here. Okay, so this task right here actually unlocks by itself depending on how active you are on the system. For example, if you are very active for 3 days, you get to unlock this one. And looking over here, I just started about 24 hours ago, and I've only completed 2 tasks out of all these ones right here. So if you mine about 10 blocks, you unlock this one, and that is just how easy it is for you to keep on completing all these tasks right here. For example, right now for inviting people, I've completed this one. It's very automatic. I will just collect it right now. So when I scroll down again, you can see there are more right there. Let me just find it real quick. Okay, let me just find it right here. Okay, where is it? Okay, so even if you connect your wallet, you also get 5 PERIA. All right, so basically these are the tasks that you simply need to complete for you to be unlocking this daily tasks right now. So right now, what do you need to do next? In case you are heard about PERIA mining for the first time, it is very simple. The link to get started is going to be on the video description box. Like I said earlier on the previous video that I made, this particular project is very nice. It's a nice one, and I haven't seen any red flag yet, but that doesn't mean that there is no risk involved in it. So like I always say on my videos, this video is not a financial advice, and you should approach it with carefulness. Now another thing that I needed to take note of right here is when you come over here to homepage. When you come over here to homepage right now, you can see this is your wallet, and this is of course where you can easily connect your wallet. Where do you call it? Okay, you can see right, you can easily connect it, and when you connect it, you can then withdraw your PERIA that you have mined, and when you withdraw it, you can easily sell it on PancakeSwap. I recently made a video about how to sell it. The video was actually the first video that I made concerning this particular project. So if you want to be watching the video, check out the video description of this particular video. I'm going to be linking the video right there. That video is going to help you understand a lot more about this particular project. So coming over here to referral, this is what I've got so far from referral. Only 12 PERIA from referral, and only 2 people are active, while I've invited a total of 9 people. Like I said, this project is new. I'm just getting to join it, and guess what? I think it's a nice one because already we can sell the token that we are mining right here. So whatever you mine right here, you can easily sell it off. Okay, so literally this is all I have to share with you guys on this particular video. So if any new update drops, I'm going to be letting you guys know immediately. So I'm going to be stopping the video right now. Please kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Okay, so and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very, very soon.